Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered about the differences between work, job, career, occupation, and profession? Or are you confused about the differences of these words? In this video, we'll unravel the key distinctions to help you understand these terms better. Career, work, job, occupation, and profession are all related to a person's employment, but they have slightly different meanings. Let's start with work. Work, as a noun, is any generally activity that a person uses physical or mental effort to do. It can be paid or unpaid, and it covers a wide range of activities, such as cooking, cleaning, or even gardening. A job is a regular activity, to refers specific task, position or role that you hold within an organization or a company. It is usually done to earn money and may involve a set of tasks or responsibilities. It is full-time or part-time. Now, let's talk about a career. A career is a long-term journey of professional advancement in a specific field. It typically includes a series of related jobs, skills, and experiences that contribute to your overall professional development. A career often involves pursuing education, gaining expertise, and climbing the ladder of success. Next, occupation is another term that often gets confused. It refers to a broad category or group of jobs that share similar characteristics or skills. For example, healthcare is an occupation that includes various jobs like doctors, nurses, and pharmacists or medical research. Lastly, we have a profession. A profession is a specific occupation that requires specialized knowledge, skills, and education. Professions often have formal requirements, such as licensing or certification. Professions such as law, medicine, or engineering require specific certifications or licenses. To help you understand better, let's look at some real-life examples. Steve works at a factory assembling cars, which is his job. He dreams of becoming an automotive engineer, so he is building a career in the automotive industry. Emily is passionate about helping others, so she chose nursing as her occupation. She started as a registered nurse and worked her way up to become a nurse practitioner. Nursing is not only her job, but also her career. Now, let's take Mark, who is an architect. He completed his education and obtained the required professional license. Architecture is not just Mark's job or occupation, it is his chosen profession. In summary, work is any activity to accomplish a task, paid or unpaid. A job is a specific position or role within an organization. A career is a long-term journey of professional advancement. An occupation is a broad category of jobs, and a profession is a specific occupation with specialized knowledge, training, and requirements. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.